For this lesson, we're going to discuss interfacing the LCD with the Arduino Uno. So as you can see here, you have here the actual LCD. It is a 16 by 2 LCD, and the pin outs of which are at the left top corner. That would be your pin 1, pin 2 up to pin 16. So as you can see here in the Word file, you have pin 1 to pin 16 from VSS to backlight. For you to be able to connect the pins of your Arduino to your LCD, so these should be the connections from pin 1. You can connect it at any ground pin of your Arduino Uno. Then the VDD, so that is the 5-volt supply in your Arduino, should be connected to pin 2, and so on and so forth. So you have here 8 data pins, but we can use the pins 11 to 14 for this example. Then on top of this, you just need to connect the pin 3 of the LCD to the middle terminal of a potentiometer to vary the intensity. Then if you want, you can add 220 ohm resistor in between the supply and the pin 15 of the LCD. So using this to connect to your Arduino Uno, I have here the connections in the breadboard. So provided in this table, the connections that should be made in your Arduino Uno. So I will just connect the LCD in these pins, so the arrangement of which is from pin 1 to pin 16. So just refer to the given table. Then the pin 3 of the LCD, so you have here the potentiometer. So this is the potentiometer, the middle pin of which is connected to pin 3. Then the other side, so it doesn't matter whether you connect the positive to the right or negative to the right, so you can interchange it. Just be sure to connect one side to ground and one side to VDD. So to connect, pin. So using the potentiometer, you can vary incent the intensity in your LCD. So you can see that you can darken or lighten the LCD, so that depends on your preference. So we will now try to download a given program. So this is just a sample program. This one would display Mapua University as well as Arduino Uno in your LCD display. The set cursor command would position your cursor to row 0 and column 0. So to move, so this is column and row. So if you want to move it to row 1, column 0, so the reference is 0, 0. So that would be the topmost left in your display. So if you're going to download this program, so let us verify so it is at COM 4, so it's already connected. Then download the given program. So you can now see the recorded so Mapua University, Arduino Uno. So let us try to vary the intensity. So you can now see and adjust, so depending on your preference. So that would be it for this sample. So you can change some of the properties. So we're just going to discuss later on what are the other commands that can be used in formatting the given display.